Let's now move on, viewers, and get you the latest update from the national capital. Delhi's air quality has worsened. It is in the very poor category, and it fell into this very poor category on the eve of Diwali, with the city recording an AQI of about 329, according to Central Pollution Control Board. Out of 38 monitoring stations, 12 reported air quality in very poor category, raising concerns across the capital. In response, the authorities have invoked GRAP 2 restrictions across the National Capital Region, which include curbs on construction activity, regulation of industrial emissions, and stricter enforcement of pollution control norms, all aimed at reducing the pollution level and improving the air quality. Times Now brings you more from the ground. In fact, we'll get you a report in just a bit, but before that, let's tell you the restrictions that are now going to be in place as GRAP Stage 2 is implemented. Use of coal firewood is restricted. Use of diesel generators restricted. Construction work, there is a complete stop on that as well. And what's really recommended, now that's also important. The recommendation is that people should use more public transport and metro services and reduce, bringing cars on the roads as much as possible. Now, vehicular pollution, remember, is a very, very important constituent of the overall pollution level in Delhi, and that's the reason why these recommendations become important. And as Delhi's air quality dips into the very poor category, BJP has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of wrongly blaming Hindus for pollution for years. BJP leaders say the real cause is stubble burning in Punjab, not Diwali celebrations or firecrackers. Taking a jibe at Arvind Kejriwal, the former chief minister, BJP added while earlier Hindus were targeted for pollution, their government has now ensured that people can celebrate Diwali freely. Hurling Aurangzeb jibe on Aam Aadmi Party chief, BJP said Aurangzeb failed against Hindus, and Kejriwal can't succeed either. Listen in.
दिल्ली में तो अगर कल और आज की बात करें, ना तो रोड पोल्यूशन था, जो व्हीकुलर पोल्यूशन है बिल्कुल नहीं था। कोई दिल्ली में जाम नहीं लगने दिए गए, ट्रैफिक को बहुत स्मूथ रखा गया दिल्ली के अंदर ना तो दिल्ली के पिछले 2 दिन से कोई ऐसा इंडस्ट्री का पोल्यूशन बढ़ा था और ना ही कोई ऐसा कंस्ट्रक्शन। लेकिन आपने भी नोटिस किया होगा, कल के अखबारों में भी छापा, आज का भी दिल्ली के जो पड़ोसी जगह हैं उनके ऊपर एक्यूआई लेवल दिल्ली से भी ज्यादा बदतर है, तो उसका हालात दिल्ली में पहुंच रहे हैं। दूसरा, जो खेतों के अंदर जो पराली को जलाया जा रहा है, उसके ऊपर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट रोक नहीं लगा रही। क्या वो जानबूझकर करवा रही है, नहीं करवा रही, मैं नहीं कह सकता, लेकिन रोक नहीं लगा पा रही। इसका नुकसान जो है दिल्ली को भुगतना पड़ रहा है।
लेकिन दिल्ली की पुरानी सरकारों ने हमारे सनातन के त्योहारों को बाधित करने का काम किया, जानबूझकर उसमें रोलेट करने का काम किया। अब दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, तो हमारी मुख्यमंत्री उन सभी पुरानी परंपराओं को एक तरह से उनको जीवित करने का भी प्रयास करें और उसको उल्लास के साथ मनाने की कोशिश करें। तो ये सीधा संदेश होगा कि दिल्ली भविष्य का एक दिल्ली बनने जा रही है, एक विकसित दिल्ली बनने जा रही है, जो जगमगाएगी भी और खुशियां भी बांटेगी।
देखिए, पिछली सरकारें सनातन के त्योहारों के प्रति द्वेषपूर्ण रवैया रखती थी। पिछली सरकारें वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स के चलते अल्पसंख्यकवाद को बढ़ावा देती थी। मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार सभी वर्गों को, सभी सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी को, सभी धर्मों को बराबर का मौका देती है। इसीलिए आज आप जगमग दिवाली देख रहे हैं।
ऐसा कि इसके लिए पंजाब की भगवंत मान की सरकार जिम्मेवार है, जिनकी ड्यूटी थी किसानों को एजुकेट करने की, उन्हें उपकरण देने की, साधन देने की, पूरी तरह असफल रही है। और यहां तक कि पंजाब की भगवंत मान की सरकार ने चुनाव से पहले एक घोल देने का वादा किया था। आज तक 4 साल हो गए, वो धरती की उपजाऊ शक्ति बढ़ाने वाला और पराली को खत्म करने वाला घोल नहीं पहुंचा। केजरीवाल साहब, 4 साल बीत गए आपकी सरकार को, किसान इंतजार कर रहे, कब पहुंचेगा।
Right now we are standing in front of Akshardham, and you can see here as well that a thick layer of smog has been engulfed in the national capital. capital. You can see that there is a blurry image of Akshardham which can clearly be seen here in our visuals. Apart from that, if we talk about some of the other regions in the Delhi NCR area, in Anand Vihar, this AQI has even reached to the level of 411 as per the data which has been released at the Sameer app, as that is the reason why the people of Delhi have also started feeling irritation in the eyes and in the throat. Even the health advisory has also been given by the experts, as it is being predicted that this entire condition in the national capital is going to further deteriorate after the celebration of Diwali due to firecrackers and the unfavorable weather conditions. And for that reason, a GRAP 2 has also been invoked in the national capital, where certain restrictions have been made upon the usage of diesel generators, as well as it is also being advised to the public of Delhi to use public transport. Not just that, but in fact the water sprinkling machines have also been used to settle down the dust in the national capital.
Right now we are reporting from Kartavya Path. Now on a normal day, if you come over here, you will be easily able to see India Gate. But as of now, due to the deterioration in air quality and air pollution, the India Gate is barely visible. A thick layer of smog has engulfed the whole area. Now what we see as of now is that a bitter political fight that has started between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, while the BJP has said that this air pollution has nothing to do with the crackers or Diwali. In fact, this air pollution and the deteriorating air quality index in Delhi is due to the stubble burning in Punjab, and the BJP says that the Punjab government has failed to curb the stubble burning. While we see political fight over it, in the end, people of Delhi are suffering that have to inhale this toxic air. With video journalist Sanjeev Chetri, Mohit Bhatt reporting from Kartavya Path for Times Now.